figure out what caused the fire.
Today, civil rights attorneys assembled in Decatur to review details of the protests and demonstrations after the death of Stephen Perkins and offer legal suggestions to protesters and supporters.
They also sought advice on what should be done going forward. News 19's Archie Snowden shares more.
I felt like I was targeted because I was ahead of the protesters. And I feel like they were trying to make an example to, hey, we will take your leaders down.
Protesters voicing frustrations and concern to civil rights attorneys today over previous and possible future arrests, as they say they are calling for justice in the death of Stephen Perkins. Decatur police arrested Terrence Baker for protesting in front of the Decatur City Mayor Tab Bowling's home. He says he and other demonstrators worry after Decatur Mayor Tab Bowling announced anyone looking to protest must have a permit or face full consequences of the law.
Our protesting is our weapon. That's the only way that we could fight back without doing it illegal.
Wednesday, community partners organized a meeting between those protesters and civil rights attorneys to allow them to express their grievances and learn their true constitutional right to demonstrate.
I think there's a lot of wrong that's happening that needs to be addressed. And we're certainly going to look into it to determine, if civil rights violations have taken place, what needs to be done to correct that and to make sure it doesn't happen again in the future.
Civil rights attorney Sidney Jackson says the city enforcing its ordinance on protest is legal, but they will be monitoring the situation going forward. In Decatur, Archie Snowden, News 19.
Just in the last 30 minutes, Mayor Bowling released a statement on the city's policy on parade permits, saying they do not constrain First Amendment speech rights. He says the permit process is necessary to make sure people stay safe and that disruptions are limited to public spaces. And that anyone walking on sidewalks not making unreasonable noise or doing anything that would be described as disturbing the peace would not need a permit. Bowling went on to say that groups who failed to disperse after being asked by the police could face criminal charges. We have his full statement available for you to read on WHNT.com.